I will have to do. I will have to do. मुझे करना पड़ेगा. I have to do. I have to do. मुझे करना पड़ता है. I had to do. I had to do. मुझे करना पड़ा. I have to come. I have to come. मुझे आना पड़ता है. I had to come. I had to come. मुझे आना पड़ा. I will have to go. I will have to go. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I have to go. I have to go. मुझे जाना पड़ता है. I had to go. I had to go. मुझे जाना पड़ा. I had a thought. I had a thought. मुझे एक ख्याल आया. You had my phone. You had my phone. तुम्हारे पास मेरा फ़ोन था. I have fever. I have fever. मुझे बुखार है. Who has done this? Who has done this? ये किसने किया है? He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in yourself. अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखो. I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you. मैंने आपको माफ़ कर दिया है. I have eaten at that restaurant. I have eaten at that restaurant. मैंने इस रेस्टोरेंट में खाया है. I have been there for 5 years. I have been there for 5 years. मैं वहाँ 5 साल तक रहा. All the flowers have got withered. All the flowers have got withered. सारे फूल मुरझा गए. It has been so long. It has been so long. बहुत वक्त हो गया है. Where have you been? Where have you been? तुम कहाँ थे? She had not eaten. She had not eaten. उसने खाना नहीं खाया था. She has not seen the movie. She has not seen the movie. उसने फिल्म नहीं देखी है. We have sent them an invitation. We have sent them an invitation. हमने उन्हें इनवाइट कर दिया है. She has washed the clothes. She has washed the clothes. उसने कपड़े धो लिए हैं. They have seen you coming. They have seen you coming. उन्होंने तुम्हें आते हुए देखा है. We had a grand party. We had a grand party. हमने बहुत बड़ी पार्टी की. I had told you to come home early. I had told you to come home early. मैं तुम्हें घर जल्दी आने का बोला था. Who has my laptop? Who has my laptop? मेरा लैपटॉप किसके पास है? She has irritated me. She has irritated me. उसने मुझे परेशान किया है. She has gone crazy. She has gone crazy. क्या वो पागल हो गई है?